Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So in the previous video before this one, I had brought you guys along with me when I went to order my contact lens from the optometrist's office. So now the contact lens are here and I am going to pick that up, and after that I will be heading to Walmart to get some grocery shopping done. So I am going to be bringing you guys along with me. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and just come on. So before I go and pick up the contact lens, I think I'm gonna stop at Tim Hortons to get some French vanilla because I didn't have any breakfast this morning. So Tim Hortons is like a Canadian Starbucks. It's Canada's Starbucks. So you know, this is where you go and you get your teas, your coffees, your pastries. You know, it's a very popular, you know, establishment in Canada. So for me it's the equivalent of US's Starbucks because it's Canadian owned and operated. So yeah, so I'm heading to Tim Hortons to get some French vanilla. Gonna show you what the outside looks like. So yeah, so this is our Canadian Starbucks. Cheers. So I got a French vanilla and the old-fashioned plain donut. This is not the old-fashioned plain she gave me. She gave me a different one. She didn't give me the old-fashioned plain. She gave me the glazed donut. Yeah, I have to go back in there and let her know that it's not the old-fashioned plain she gave me. It's a good thing I didn't even touch it. But if they want to give it to me for their mess up, that would be great also. That would be okay. Anyways, I'm gonna head back in there, you guys. I don't want anything with any glaze on it. So I'm gonna head inside. It's a good thing I didn't drive off. Guys, so just as I thought, so I went back in with the wrong one that they gave me, but they said I could keep it. And so this is the old-fashioned plain. This is what it's supposed to look like. So yeah, great customer service, I must say, at Tim Hortons. So they gave me the correct one, plus the lady said I could keep the first one that the other cashier gave me as a mistake. So yeah, cheers to Tim Hortons. Yeah, so this is the one I really wanted. So I just finished picking up my contact lens. So now I'm gonna be meeting Natalia in Shoppers Drug Mart Beauty Boutique. So I'm heading to Shoppers Drug Mart to meet Natalia. So yeah, I'll show you guys inside the beauty boutique. Okay, so I'm finished with the mall, you guys. So heading to Walmart to do some grocery shopping. So if I can video that, I will video that. Hopefully I can. I'm gonna be very discreet. So yeah, I can't believe it just started to rain. Like seriously, but it is what it is. So yeah, so got my contact lens. So basically it's just the trial supply. So I'm gonna wear it for a week or two, then come back to make sure everything is okay and it fits properly, and I have no issues with it. So then I can order, well, my doctor will then order the 1-year supply. So now I just have the trials to try to make sure everything is okay and it fits me comfortably. So yeah. I just got done with Walmart, you guys, and now I'm heading home. It was a really productive day, so yeah, can't complain. It was good. And it is raining, so now is a good time to just head on home. So yep, traffic isn't too bad on the highway, so yeah. So thank you guys for hanging with me today, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.